They just run off the roadways in the field. Back on the roadway. He's steadily swinging his load out trying to get us to break away. He's losing debris. Crossing the tunnel, through the parking lots. Please! Hands up! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground!
Six 4969. Hello?
Hello, Berks County 911.
Alright, 222 southbound, just past 73. There's a hit and run accident. I'm behind the driver that's running. License plate, Pennsylvania L. Hold on. License plate LDC 4969. It's a Hyundai Sonata, gray in color. At the light at 60.
What kind of vehicle are you in?
I'm in a Hyundai hatchback, white hatchback. He's cutting through Raymore Flanagan parking lot right now. All right, now he's going back up Snyder. No, he's a hit and run.
Oh, and this guy right here?
Yeah.
You want to go block him off?
No, I don't want him to hit my car. I'm on the phone with 911 right now.
You got a picture of the license plate?
Yeah, I got it.
Go ahead.
Okay, so where are you at now?
Bellevue and still southbound on 61, or not 61, 5th Street.
You're on 5th Street.
Yep. Even in they're trying, yep. She's trying to get out, or this person's trying to get out, and the other person's not letting them. Alright. Going into the turn lane for 12 East, I don't know if they're going to turn or not.
Okay. Alright, there is an officer not too
Right
far
here,
behind.
right here. This one. I got him. The officer just pulled up.
Oh, is the officer just pulled up?
Just pulled up. Yeah, it's that one. Yep, the officer just pulled up, man.
Alright, thank you so much. You drive safely and take care, okay?
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You want to talk to me at all?
What's that?
Do you need to talk to me at all? I saw the hit and run and then I followed
you
her.
would. Give me.
Yeah.
Are you called in already?
Yeah, I did. I was talking to her.
I'll give you a face there. I'll call you.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yep. Well, you missed it.
Let her do.
You missed it. Oh, look at all the Muhlenberg cops. Look at them. Look at them all go. Out of the road.
So,
You're in the middle of the road, dude.
go around me, you understand?
Whatever.
I don't know.
Okay, está bien.
Oiga, me lo limpio.
Okay.
Nomás que, no sé si viste el mensaje que te mandé que me mandó ver.
No, estoy...
Bye.
Sí.